In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove users in your HubSpot. First, open your browser, head to your favorite search engine, and search for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in the app, look to the top of the screen for the small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click it to open your account settings. On the left sidebar of settings, find and select Users and Teams. This is where you manage who has access to your HubSpot portal. To add someone new, click Add Users. On the next panel, choose Create New. You'll see a field to enter the person's email address. Type the work email you want to invite, making sure there are no typos, since the invitation will be sent there. When you're ready, click Next. You'll now assign a seat. A seat grants access to paid tools, like sales or service features, depending on your subscription. Pick the seat that matches the person's role. If you're not sure, check with your admin first so you don't use a paid seat unnecessarily. After choosing the appropriate seat, click Next. Review your selections, then click Create User. HubSpot will send an invitation to the email you provided. The new teammate will need to accept that invite to finish setting up their login. If they don't see it, ask them to check their spam or junk folder. Finally, click Done to close the wizard. You'll be returned to the Users and Teams list, where you can see the user's status, such as pending or accepted. When it's time to remove someone's access, stay on that same Users and Teams page. Hover your mouse over the user you want to remove to reveal quick actions, then click Actions. From the menu, select Deactivate User. HubSpot will ask you to confirm. Click Deactivate User again to finalize. Deactivation immediately prevents sign-in while preserving history, records, and activity the user created, which helps keep your CRM data intact. If needed, plan any reassignment of ownership for contacts, deals, or tickets beforehand to avoid interruptions in your workflows. That's it. You've learned how to add a user, assign a seat, send the invite, and safely deactivate access when someone leaves. Regularly review your user list and seat assignments to keep costs in check and your data secure.